In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon gift card balance. We'll keep this simple and clear using a regular web browser on your computer or your phone. Start by heading to Amazon's website and signing into your account. Make sure you're on the correct regional site for where you usually shop, since balances are tied to each country's marketplace. Once you're signed in, you're ready to navigate to your balance. Look to the upper right of the page for Account and Lists and click it. Then choose your account. If you're on a mobile browser, you may see Account and Lists within the site's main menu, but the wording is the same. This takes you to your account dashboard, where all your settings and payment details live. On the Your Account page, find and select Gift Cards, sometimes labeled Your Gift Card Balance. This is the central place Amazon uses for everything related to gift cards. As soon as the page loads, you'll see your current gift card balance displayed. Right below or nearby, there's also a section for gift card activity. Open that to review a detailed history, including cards you've redeemed and where gift card funds were used on past orders. It's a great way to confirm that a claim went through or to track how your balance changed over time. A few important notes here. When you redeem an Amazon gift card, the entire value is added to your Amazon account balance. You don't have to spend it all at once. It simply stays in your account until you use it on future purchases. During checkout, eligible orders can automatically draw from that balance. Remember, this is not cash you can transfer or withdraw. It can't be moved to another account and generally stays within the same country site where it was redeemed. If you don't see the number you expect, refresh the page, confirm you're signed in to the right account, and make sure you're viewing the correct regional Amazon site. It also helps to keep your gift card receipts until you've confirmed the balance. And for security, never share gift card claim codes publicly. Only enter them directly on Amazon's official site. That's it. By signing in, opening your account, and selecting gift cards, you can instantly view your Amazon gift card balance and activity whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.